Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to hide WhatsApp group members in Chat 2024. First, we have to enter to WhatsApp application on our smartphone. Then here is our WhatsApp interface. Now we have no any group or community on our account, so we have to create and add group members. So let's click the plus icon at the bottom. Then we click this new group setup. There are some peoples on our contact that we can add on our group. So select some friends to add. After we choose the friends that we need to add peoples, we have to click this green arrow to create our group. Then we have to name the group like this. For now, we give the title Test Group. Then we click the arrow to finish. Here is our group. So let's see how to add our group members into a community, and the community can't see except the admin. We need to click the title of the group to enter to other settings. Then scroll down and click this Add Group to a Community. Click Get Started, then we are entered into the community and give a name to our community. For now, we can give a name like Test Community. Then click the arrow, click OK. So here is our created community. So we hide our added members from the community like this. No one can see the members without admin. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.